Living with your face on display, whether through live streaming or daily posts, can feel daunting, but it's incredibly rewarding. When you share your face, you're not just showing your physical appearance. You're sharing your personality, your emotions, and your unique perspective. This connection is what draws people in. They want to see the real you, not just a polished version. Posting daily is a powerful tool for growth. It keeps you consistent, and consistency builds trust. When your audience sees you regularly, they start to feel like they know you. This familiarity fosters a sense of community. You're not just a content creator, you're a part of their daily lives. Think about it. When you see someone's face regularly, you start to feel a connection. You root for them, celebrate their wins, and empathize with their struggles. Now, let's talk about the benefits of going live for an hour each day. Live streaming is an incredible way to engage with your audience in real time. It's spontaneous, it's raw, and it's authentic. You can answer questions, share thoughts, and react to comments instantly. This interaction creates a dynamic atmosphere where your audience feels involved. They're not just passive viewers, they're active participants in your journey. Plus, going live can help you think on your feet and improve your communication skills. But why an hour? It might sound long, but it gives you enough time to dive deep into topics, share stories, and connect with your audience. It allows for a natural ebb and flow of conversation. You can start with a topic, then let the audience guide the discussion. This flexibility can lead to unexpected and valuable insights. Incorporating your face into your content also humanizes your brand. People relate to faces. They want to see the person behind the screen, the one who shares their struggles, triumphs. This authenticity can set you apart in a crowded digital landscape. It's about building relationships, not just an audience. So embrace the camera, show your face, share your thoughts, and connect with your community. The more you engage, the more you'll grow, not just in numbers, but in genuine connections. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about being real. Your audience wants to see the journey, the ups and downs, and everything in between. That's what makes your content relatable and engaging. So go ahead, put yourself out there and let your voice be heard.